establishment. Both sides of the aisle. But these over in the Senate, you know, with all due respect, Mr. Schumer, Mr. McConnell, you've had your day and it's over. And since your time of leadership is clearly past, either follow or get the hell out of our way, because we're coming. We're 100 million strong, MAGA patriots, and we're taking our country back. We're going to change the trajectory of spending. We're going to restore fiscal responsibility to this thing. We're going to seal up our border from illegal activity. We're going to take it back from the cartels that have been running it. We're going to stop these endless wars overseas. We're going to stop feeding those wars overseas. We're going to restore dignity and might and undefeatable power to our military. If you're in our way, I advise you to get the hell out of the way. We'll keep you posted, America. There's a lot going on up here.